I'm on a mission to find the best burger in Nottingham. I think it's fair to say that us Brits take a lot of inspiration from our American cousins across the pond, whether it's music, fashion, cars, but in my opinion, probably most importantly, is the food. In this video, I'm going to be trying out some of Nottingham's best and highly rated burger places. First on the list, Five Guys.
Can I get a bacon cheeseburger please, with lettuce, jalapenos, hot sauce, and then can I get a regular Cajun fries? Yep. Cheers mate. So, secured the goods, and because I'm socially awkward as fuck, I'm gonna sit in the car and eat it. They've cocked up because we haven't got Cajun fries. We've got regular fries, but I've never had regular fries from Five Guys. But they're pretty good.
Good actually.
A nice fries. It's thick. Good looking burger. Five Guys is always pretty good. Lovely. The dripping cheese. I haven't had a Five Guys in a long time. Crispy bacon, crunchy jalapenos. Look at that. Dripping cheese, but that's nice. Oh. For a chain restaurant, Five Guys burgers are pretty bloody good, but they are expensive for what they are. But you also know exactly what you're getting. I'm a little disappointed that the chips are not Cajun chips, but they are still nice. Very salty, which is what you want with a chip.
Not like you.
Banging. I'm sweating a bit. Those jalapenos are quite spicy. But the meat's good. It's not dry, it's juicy.
It was at this point that I was really enjoying this Five Guys that I thought, actually, this is going to get a hell of a lot better and I can't wait for the next place.
Cheese drips out the bottom. What's not to love? So that is option one, done and dusted. Five Guys, as always, does not disappoint. The meat's good. The toppings are good, and I like the fact that you don't have to pay any extra for toppings. You pay a lot of money for the burger anyway, but you don't pay any extra for the toppings or any of the sauce. So all in all, meat was good, it was tasty, it was juicy, it was crunchy where it needed to be crunchy. It's quite expensive. Next, we are going to...
Next up, we have Phat Hippo, which is a chain, but it's not somewhere that I've been before. But I've heard great things about this place, and it's regarded as one of Nottingham's best places to get a burger.
So I'm here at Phat Hippo, and it is a pretty decent looking menu. There's so much options. You've got beef, chicken, vegan, veggie, Bohns slippy, double beef patty, American cheese, garlic butter mayo, braised pork rib meat, jalapenos and hot honey. Might have to be that, or PB&J, double patty, American cheese, chunky peanut butter, bacon jam and smoked chili jello. That might be it. I was just thinking that this is like Five Guys prices, but it feels a lot more substantial. Hey mate.
What would you like?
Can I get the PB and JJ? Can I get the tots as well, please?
Yeah.
And then can I get a blue cheese ranch dip and hot honey buffalo? Thank you. Cheers. I have a feeling that this is going to be unreal. Thank you very much. Brilliant. Oh, look at the state of that. I don't even know where I'm going to begin. That is a very good looking burger. Gonna have to just get in amongst it. Oh. The peanut butter. And it all dripping out the bottom. Wow. Messy as anything, but it's like a big proper burger. I think the bacon jam just tops off. It's like thick bacon jam as well. Proper bits of bacon in it. This is probably one of the best burgers I've ever had. Not even joking. Right, I'm gonna nail this and then let you know what I think. I have been defeated. I can't finish it. It probably didn't help that I had a Five Guys not even 24 hours ago. That was so bloody good. I just wish I could finish it, but I can't. And just like that, my time at Phat Hippo in Nottingham has come to an end. It was absolutely 10 out of 10, but you can't give it 10 out of 10, so juiciness, 5 stars, solid. Crunchiness, I didn't have a lot of crunchiness things in there, so overall taste, it was absolutely 5 out of 5. It was mad. And value for money, £18.90. For a burger size and 2 dips, it wasn't too bad. All in all, unbelievable place. Get yourself to Phat Hippo in Nottingham. See you in a bit.
After my first 2 stops on this trip, it's Phat Hippo that takes the top spot. Subscribe now to see where I go to next and find out who I will crown as Nottingham's best burger place.